Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info. Today I have OSCAL Tiger 12 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store install stuck on padding on this device. To fix it, we must cancel this install and go back to the main menu where we look for Settings application. In it, we scroll down to the last option, one of the last options, System, and there our date and time. Now we have set time automatically off. To fix our problem, we must change it from off to use network provided time. And that's all. We can go back to the Google Play Store and try install something. If it isn't working, you must restart your Google Play Store. But it is working. That's all. See you soon. Bye.